Imagine your home wrapped in a cozy blanket, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. This is the essence of external wall insulation, a home improvement that not only enhances comfort but also brings numerous other benefits. That's what external wall insulation does. It acts as a protective layer, shielding your home from the harsh elements outside. It's like giving your house a warm hug, making it more comfortable and energy efficient. This insulation method is particularly effective in older homes that may lack modern insulation standards. In this essay, we'll explore how this simple upgrade can transform your living experience. From reducing energy bills to increasing your home's value, the benefits are substantial. External wall insulation is a fantastic way to improve your home. It involves adding a layer of insulating material to the exterior walls, which is then covered with a protective render or cladding. It helps you save money on your energy bills. By reducing the amount of heat lost through the walls, your heating system doesn't have to work as hard, leading to significant savings over time. It also makes your home more environmentally friendly. Lower energy consumption means a reduced carbon footprint, contributing to a greener planet. By adding a layer of insulation to the outside of your walls, you create a barrier against the elements. This barrier not only keeps the cold out, but also prevents heat from escaping. This keeps your home warmer in the winter, ensuring that you and your family stay comfortable even during the coldest months, and cooler in the summer. The insulation helps to keep the heat out, maintaining a pleasant indoor temperature without over-relying on air conditioning. It's like putting a sweater on your house. This simple analogy perfectly captures the essence of external wall insulation. External wall insulation is a smart investment for any homeowner. Not only does it improve comfort and energy efficiency, but it also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home. It's a great way to make your home more comfortable, energy efficient, and valuable. Over time, the initial investment pays off through energy savings and increased property value. There are various materials available for external wall insulation, including eco-friendly options that further reduce environmental impact. Professional installation ensures that the insulation is applied correctly, maximizing its effectiveness and longevity. Homeowners who have made this upgrade often report a noticeable difference in their home's comfort and energy bills. Experts agree that it's one of the most effective ways to improve home energy efficiency. Imagine a community where every home is wrapped in warmth, contributing to a collective reduction in energy consumption and a more sustainable future. Ultimately, external wall insulation is about creating a better living environment for you and your loved ones. It's an investment in comfort, savings, and the future of our planet. Many older homes have solid walls without insulation. These walls are poor at keeping heat in during the winter. Just like a leaky faucet wastes water, uninsulated walls waste energy. Heat always tries to escape from warmer areas to colder ones. In winter, the heat inside your home wants to escape to the cold outside. Insulation acts as a barrier, slowing down this heat loss and keeping your home warmer for longer. Without insulation, your heating system has to work much harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This means you use more energy, leading to higher energy bills and a larger carbon footprint. External wall insulation typically involves attaching insulation boards to the exterior walls of your house. These boards are made from different materials, each with its own advantages. Two popular choices are expanded polystyrene, or EPS, and mineral wool. EPS is lightweight, cost-effective, and offers excellent insulation. Mineral wool, made from natural materials like rock or slag, provides superior fire resistance and soundproofing qualities. Your choice of insulation material will depend on your budget, the specific needs of your home, and your priorities. Consulting with an insulation specialist can help you determine the best option for your situation. Installing external wall insulation is a multi-step process, but it's well worth the effort. Not only does it improve the energy efficiency of your home, but it also enhances the overall appearance and value of your property. Let's dive into the detailed steps involved in this process. Here's a simplified breakdown. First, preparation. This is a crucial step that sets the foundation for the entire insulation process. The walls are cleaned and prepared, ensuring a smooth surface for the insulation boards to adhere to. This involves removing any dirt, debris, or loose materials that could interfere with the adhesion. Next, attaching the boards. The insulation boards are fixed to the walls using adhesive and mechanical fixings, creating a continuous layer of insulation. This step is critical as it ensures that the boards are securely attached and will provide effective insulation. Then the base coat. A base coat is applied over the insulation boards, providing a strong and stable base for the final render. This base coat acts as a protective layer, shielding the insulation from external elements. After that, reinforcing mesh. A reinforcing mesh is embedded within the base coat, adding strength and preventing cracks. This mesh is essential for maintaining the integrity of the insulation system, ensuring it remains durable over time. Finally, the top coat render. A decorative top coat render is applied, giving your home a fresh, modern look. This final layer not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also provides additional protection against weather conditions. The result is a beautifully insulated home that is both energy efficient and visually appealing. Section 5. The big savings and other perks. In this section, we'll delve into the numerous advantages that come with external wall insulation, focusing not only on the financial aspects, but also on the overall improvement in your home's comfort and value. One of the most significant benefits of external wall insulation is the reduction in your energy bills. Imagine opening your monthly energy statement and seeing a much lower figure than you're used to. This is a reality for many who have invested in proper insulation. By keeping your home better insulated, you'll use less energy to heat it, resulting in substantial cost savings over time. This means your heating system doesn't have to work as hard, which can also extend its lifespan and reduce maintenance costs. The exact amount you save will depend on factors like your home's size, existing insulation levels, and energy tariffs. Larger homes or those with poor existing insulation will see the most dramatic reductions in energy usage. However, many homeowners see a noticeable decrease in their energy consumption and heating costs. This can translate to hundreds of dollars saved each year, which adds up significantly over time. But the benefits go beyond just financial savings. A well-insulated home maintains a more consistent temperature, reducing cold spots and drafts, which enhances overall comfort. External wall insulation offers a range of other advantages that improve your home's comfort, value, and environmental impact. For instance, a well-insulated home is more attractive to potential buyers, potentially increasing your property's market value. Additionally, by using less energy, you're reducing your carbon footprint, contributing to a more sustainable environment. Let's explore these benefits in detail and see how they can transform your living experience. Section 6. A warmer home, a greener planet. External wall insulation plays a crucial role in reducing your carbon footprint. By using less energy to heat your home, you're directly contributing to a greener environment. Traditional heating methods often rely on fossil fuels, which release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. By reducing your reliance on these fuels, you're helping to combat climate change and create a more sustainable future. Moreover, many insulation materials like mineral wool are made from recycled or sustainable sources, further minimizing their environmental impact. Section 7. Soundproofing your sanctuary. In today's busy world, finding peace and quiet within our homes is more important than ever. External wall insulation acts as a sound barrier, reducing noise pollution from traffic, neighbors, and other external sources. The insulation materials absorb and dampen sound waves, preventing them from penetrating your walls and disturbing the tranquility of your home. This is particularly beneficial if you live in a noisy area or simply value a peaceful living environment. With external wall insulation, you can enjoy a quieter, more relaxing home where you can unwind and recharge without distractions. Section 8. Boosting your home's value. Investing in external wall insulation not only improves your living experience, but also enhances the value of your property. Potential buyers are increasingly seeking energy-efficient homes that offer lower running costs and a reduced environmental impact. A well-insulated home with a good energy efficiency rating is a more attractive proposition for buyers, potentially leading to a quicker sale and a higher asking price. External wall insulation is a visible upgrade that can transform the appearance of your home, further boosting its curb appeal. Section 9. Is external wall insulation right for you? External wall insulation is a worthwhile investment for many homeowners, but it's essential to consider your circumstances and seek professional advice. Factors to consider include the age and condition of your home, your budget, and your long-term plans for the property. Consulting with a qualified insulation specialist will help you determine the suitability of external wall insulation for your specific needs. They can assess your home, recommend the best materials and installation methods, and provide you with an accurate cost estimate.